gonna show you the best way of making caramelized onions using minimum amount of oil. I can see a point of heating lots of oil to the high temperature, ruining its goodness, especially if it's a good quality olive oil. You can always add oil later. This is what I would do. So welcome to my dear aubergine. Minimum effort, maximum effect. Weighing my onions here to give you the exact proportions. Chop onions finely. Virgin sunflower oil, not olive oil, so we're gonna use this, good enough. Not much, kind of a regular amount of oil. Everything in one go, water, sugar, vinegar, salt and pepper. Apple cider vinegar today, and close the lid. I don't have here all the equipment and all the ingredients I would like. I think I would use balsamic vinegar rather for this recipe. Also, I don't have a proper lid for this pan because I'm not cooking in my regular kitchen here. So that will do. It's more or less tight. This little whatever makeshift lid I have here. We do not need lid anymore. We're looking for right balance of sweet sour. Play with your seasoning. But do play with it. All depends on what kind of vinegar you use. Say balsamic, of course, would require less sugar. And of course, instead of sugar, you can use honey to be more fancy, or maple syrup, or I would use actually pomegranate molasses if you have that kind of thing. They're kind of sweety, sour, and dark in color already. So yeah, it does take time. You can stop right now, but of course the longer you cook the better. So let's see what we will have in 15 minutes or so, which will bring us to an hour altogether. But that was a lot of onions, to be fair. The longer you cook, the more yummy and intense in taste your onions will become. After 1 hour, I've decided to stop. I used setting 6 induction hob throughout, and once onions cooled right on the stove top, I've added lots of extra virgin olive oil.